Hello! Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Ako si Tina.
Ako si Darlene.
At ako si Zai.
Ayan. So, magandang umaga. I know we are 30 minutes late. 30 minutos kaming nahuli sa ating scheduled na post. Pero ito ay dahil sa aming napakagandang koneksyon. No? Hello, PLDT. So, meron daw silang inaayos na whatever dito sa aming area at ang promise nila na by 7 p.m. tonight, maaayos na. So, maganda naman, 4 hours early, naging maayos siya. So, yeah, tama yung mga tanong natin. What's right about this we're not getting? So, kami nila Zai, Darlene, nag-ayos kami kanina, mga 2:00, nag-ready, ganyan-ganyan. Kasi yun nga, gamitin na lang namin ang data. Ngunit, pag-try naman namin ang login ng 2:30, hindi naman kami pumasok. So, kami naman, dahil kami ay estudyante ng Sunya, so, inaalam lang din namin ang sitwasyon at ano ba, gawin ba natin? Tapos, o hindi. Tapos sabi namin, at least nag-try tayo. So, mga 2:15, we decided or we have chosen na, sige, wag na lang, mag-post na lang tayo na hindi tayo available. So, ayun, kasi 'di ba gano'n naman talaga, adjust lang tayo. Tapos nung pag-akyat ko, na ayos na lahat, inayos ko na yung parang umalis na ako sa office, ganyan-ganyan. Pag-akyat ko sa bahay, biglang naging okay ang connection. So sabi naman, sa'yo, naging ma-okay, naging maayos. So, andito kami, hello, magandang umaga. Anong ating mga lessons?
Yes, napakagandang istorya.
Oo, dito tayo para ng mga stories natin kasi magandang simula siya sa mga kwentong Sunya.
Totoo. Tsaka, ang allowance or wag na lang nating pilitin ko whatever is happening. Pwede pa tayong hindi mag-Tagalog ngayon? Like plain
Pwede
Tagalog.
naman oo, kasi hindi naman tayo nag-translate. Okay. So we can do in
Huwag na tayo magpa-char.
sige, wala lang. Gusto ko lang din magsanay. Charot.
Oo nga, no?
Pero sige lang.
Paano ba Tagalogin ang allowance?
We can be in allowance. So we can speak in English.
Sige, ano na lang tayo. I-try na lang din. Subukan na lang natin managalog din.
Hindi. Magkano tayo English kasi we have someone watching from Kuwait.
Hello, Kuwait!
Hello,
Yes.
Tita Avelina. Ayan.
Hello, so, Tita Avelina. Our experience for today really, yung na-practice natin ang ating pagiging sunyati. Dahil, wala lang din walang attachment kung makapag-live ba o hindi. Kasi, 'di ba? Ayun. So, reset. Keep on resetting. And then, nung wala na talaga kasi kapag wala ka ng attachment, walang panghinayang, walang kung ano pa ba dyan, everything just, we open up more possibilities. We open the doors of possibilities. So, mga posibilidades.
Totoo yan. Totoo yan. Yung hindi tayo attached na, for example, meron tayong schedule, pero pinilit mo talaga, ngunit hindi talaga. So, para sa mga relasyon lang yan, lagi mong pinipilit na maging maayos kayo, pero hindi talaga. So, okay, what else is possible?
Yes, kasi naituro na rin yan ni Dr. Lim sa atin before na hindi natin kailangang magplano, hindi natin kailangang panuhin. So, in one of his lives with us, yun na mention niya yun about manifestation. So, there. Hello, Darlene. How are you?
I'm okay.
Kumusta ka?
Okay.
Louder. Ang voice mo. Kumusta ka daw?
Okay, te.
Ang cute. Yes. So, hello, Darlene. Hello. And we would like to congratulate you, Miss Tina, as well. So, for representing talaga, the Sunyati International Foundation. at AYO or ASEAN Youth Organization yesterday via Zoom. So you were joined by mga ASEAN youth, right? Um, yeah, it was really fun. Thank you for introducing Sunya to introducing Sunya outside of our community. So yes, that's really a win.
Thank you so much, Zai. And thank you for being there and for supporting all the Sunyatis were there. I think we feel
Yes.
and more majority of the participants were really us. And yeah, what else is possible and how does it get any better than this? As a Sunyati, we can all promote it as what Dr. Lim has mentioned. We can promote Sunya to all organizations, to different organizations, even if they're not from the XN, we can share. So, yun yung beauty ng ating Sunya therapy. Thank you, Zai. Thank you, Darlene, for being there. You're both there as, kasi if for example, I was like, kasi ano din yung feeling ko kahapon I had like a funny feeling with my tummy. So, andun kayo as backup actually. Yung parang in case I don't finish it, someone will do it for me. So, ganun talaga yan. We make sure we have, ready lang talaga tayo lahat for all things. So, laging prepared.
Yes, totoo. So, yeah, what else is possible? And yes, speaking of um, speaking of introducing Sunya to communities or to other groups, if you are interested to know more about Sunya, you can actually invite us to speak about it or anyone from any Sunyati that you know. Yeah, we are willing and prepared to share Sunya meditation with you all. So yeah, because we are actually promoting this one, and thank you Miss Tina for highlighting it yesterday that Sunya is actually a movement and not just a group. It's actually a movement. Sunya meditation is a movement that nag-start na siya before pa, like kay Buddha pa, kasi kay Buddha nga din to galing, di ba? And now, how did we get so lucky to have the opportunity to practice it and to have learned from Dr. Lim himself? Yeah, and di ba? Kasi nga, sa ganitong, sa like, most people right now or most people nowadays really adore Buddha, like meditation, Buddha. Lahat-lahat kay si Buddha. Energy healing, doon kay Buddha na naman. But how did we get so lucky to have learned this kind of meditation that he really taught? He practiced during his time. So yeah, if you are into it, you just message us and let's practice together.
Yes, what else is possible? Thank you for adding that about the movement. Because we're not just a group, we're not even exclusive, although a lot of people will say, exclusive ba kayo? Or ito lang ba yung pinopromote nyo? We're actually like, we promote a lot of things under our plates because we have a lot of interests. And that's the beauty about being in DXN and also Asunyati, because you will uncover and discover a lot of your gifts. And your gifts are not limited to certain things. So, yan yun. We get to experience many parts of ourselves that makes us unique and different, and it's okay. So, yun. And about uniqueness and difference, maybe Darlene has something to share about that.
Oh,
Or anything you want to, to our viewers. Hello.
as usual, what I always share about about Sunya is that the best time to practice it is always now. And yeah, what I liked about the share about yesterday is the reminder of um be gentle with yourself. Be Don't judge yourself. Be less judgmental of yourself in your practice of sunya. because the key to the practice is actually consistency. And with consistency, we mean daily consistency. It doesn't matter if you don't finish the count. The thing that matters is that you tried it every day. You willed it, because that's and the practice is free. It's as easy as reverse counting and breathing, which is nothing new for everyone. And yeah, so I think that's it. That's what I'd like to share about Sunya, always again and again. And yeah, I think the topic today is about
Catching up.
or updates.
Yes.
I think I remember you telling me.
Ay, yeah, tama. So, mga updates. Yeah. So, we are here nga pala. Thank you, Darlene, for, placing us on on track with our, nilagay namin sa post. Kasi lately, Dr. Lim did not post. Like, yesterday, he did not post. And he actually said that he will be posting less because he is very busy. And when he does his video, even though it's only 12 minutes, he makes it for at least half a day. One video takes him a half a day kasi he is the one making the script. He is the one making the directing. He is the one taking a video of himself. He is the one subtitling himself. He's the one who uploads it. So he is all around. Actually, he is one-man show. It's a one-man show. Actually, he is our inspiration na tatlo nga kami dito, di ba? Bakit namin hindi gawin ang aming simpleng part of translating? It's the not the least naman. It's also something that we like to do. Sabi naman ni Dr. Lim, everything that requires effort, wag mo na siyang gawin. So, kami, for now, we check each other like, do you like it? Do you like to do the translations? Or are you feeling obligated to? Currently, we're okay. And meaning okay na we love it. I enjoy it. I enjoy it for myself kasi kahit paulit-ulit sinasabi ni Dr. Lim, sometimes hindi siya nagsisink in. And then when I listen again and I'm like, ay, oo nga pala, sinabi niya na to, but ngayon iba yung reaction ko, iba yung aking response. Kasi the more that you do, Sunya, the more things will become clearer for you, and the more whatever it is that Dr. Lim is sharing, it will become clearer to you as well. So it's a wonderful thing because Dr. Lim is also doing his journey, and we're also journeying with him together in Sunya. So before that, we just like to say hello to all our viewers right now. We have 9 million viewers. Hello sa inyo. Kanina we hit 10 million. So what else is possible? Hello sa Ate Arian, Ate Tita Regina Talamor. We love you. We miss you. And Tita Z. Hello, Ate Z. Tita Z na noon. Ate Z, Zarina. And of course, Ate Jenny and the ladies. Ayan. And of course, Ate Disay.
Also, Ma'am Ne is here.
Oh yeah, hello, Ma'am Ne. Hello of South Point School. And Tita Mean Pausal. Thank you for watching and for tuning in. So, for the updates, ano nga bang updates natin? So, yun nga, sabi ni Dr. Lim, he will be having lesser videos. And if he will have videos, it will be a long video in a month or in a week, isa lang yung video ipopost niya. So, hindi naman tayo demanding students ni Dr. Lim. We are getting this from him for free. And how did we get so lucky? So, whenever he uploads, then we translate. The Sunya part pa lang ang aming tina-translate, no? And wag na muna tayo sa mga...
It will be like course videos na.
Yes. The incoming videos of Dr. Lim will be course videos of advanced gynotherapy or herbology. So you will be learning a lot about herbs because as part of Sunya, tapos baka nagtaka kayo, Sunya, ba't napunta tayo sa herbs? So, hindi naman siya required ng Sunyati na dapat you focus on herbs as well. But like me, I love herbs. Zai loves herbs, I am sure. Darlene loves herbs, and a lot of us Sunyatis love herbs.
Too. That's why I love DXN.
Yeah, so true. We love herbs and we love to know more about what herbs can contribute to us and why are they there. There's a reason why the herbs are there, the trees are there, the plants are there. And we have a beautiful teacher to teach us about these herbs, and he has studied them for a long, long time. And he said we will be part of parang carrying the torch to not let these ancient practices, die. So if you would love or you would enjoy that, let's learn together the herbology courses with Dr. Lim. So saan mo siya mahahanap? All you need to do is go to his Facebook page and check all his Ganotherapy talks and all the herbal talks. Yun po yung ating mga basic. And if you also want one-on-one consultation with a doctor, there's one every Saturday. Tama, di ba, Zai? Favorite to ni Zai. So, Zai will promo him.
Yes. So, if you are interested in learning the wonders and the magic of our DXN products, so ito DXN products na talaga ito. So you can join us. You just send us a message, or we can send you the link. So this is actually a wonderful webinar or Zoom call for DXN distributors, for all of us DXN distributors. Even if matagal ka nang nagdi-DXN, even if baguhan ka pa lang nag-DXN, you will learn a lot of things about our products, really. Because most of the people in there are doctors, like na merong cardiologist, merong basta cardiologist, may dentist, may lahat sila. So it's a call with Dr. Firdaus. Basta Firdaus. Yes. He's Indian ba siya or Malaysian?
Malaysian.
He's a Malaysian doctor, and he's really, really good at Ganotherapy. He really knows what he's talking about. So, kaya nag-enjoy ako, and we are always there we're there na for, I think, 3 Saturdays na, 3 weeks na yata. Yes, and wag kayong mahiya magtanong. Wag mahihiyang magtanong. So, yes.
Number one questioner dito.
Yes, because, I really like to learn because I honestly do not know, or kanang dili pag yun mag-sink in sa kuha ang mga numbers manggod when it comes to our business, to be honest. So I am really into its benefits. So I would love to know more about it, to unlock more possibilities with our products. So it's not just focused, our products do not just focus on one thing, mga, diba, like we sometimes sell our products like, this one is for detox, parang lahat naman sila for detox. But what's more? So yes, you can join us because he's also a Sunyati. He's also a Sunya ambassador. He tells you to practice also Sunya meditation when you are doing Ganotherapy. So we are imploring everyone who is watching to join us in Zoom call with Dr. Firdaus at 8:30 p.m. So we will just, every Saturday, so we'll just send you the link if you're interested. I saw awesome people also from the Philippines there. Tito Jimmy is also there. He was there last week. Yes. So what would it take?
So true. Even if you're just listening, the beautiful thing about his Zoom call is you don't need to turn on your camera.
Yeah.
So wag kang matakot because a lot of people get scared of the Zoom calls because you have to turn on your camera. But it's not a training. It's more of a question and answer. And so you're just parang nakikinig lang kayo ng radio or podcast. So there would be callers or meron mga questions, ganyan. So you get to ask questions about the products. And yun nga, the beautiful thing and why we are promoting him is because he is a doctor, and yet he is also encouraging people to do sunya therapy. Meaning, a part of our healing, or if you really want your body to heal, a part of that and a major factor is really your sunya therapy as well. So how did we get so lucky that we have this beautiful tools to aid our physical bodies, to aid our minds, and ikaw na bahala syempre sa spirit and soul mo. That is a personal thing, and no one's gonna touch that part. That is your own personal journey. But we can suggest on parts of your body and your mind. That's the part that we are parang giving you tools with. And we'd like to honor and acknowledge our mother, Crown Ambassador Neng Suelto. Hello. She's watching, and she's the one who encouraged us na umakyat kami. Siya actually ang nagsabi na may internet naman, mag-live pa kayo. So, ayun. So, nag-live din kami. Thank you for that, Prod. And hindi naman kami napilitan.
Yes. Hello, Nay. And yeah, because Naineng is already here, we would like to honor also Naineng for showing up last Friday. Yes, with Miss Joanne of the XN Malaysia. So it was really a wonderful, very empowering interview with her by Miss Joanne. So yes, and she talked a lot about Sunya and how Sunya helped her and the people around her, everyone, diba? So yeah. Yes, what else is possible?
So true. Tama talaga yon. And a big part of that interview was all about Sunya. And there were a lot of people who actually messaged in that live na they wanted to learn Sunya. So if you want to learn Sunya, just message us, message anybody who's a Sunyati. They can give you the tips and tools and all of that. And if you haven't watched that video with my mom, all you need to do is go to the XN Malaysia and look for that interview. Ang kanilang title was Empowered Women.
Empowering
Women.
Yeah. Empowering women. Yes, so it was a wonderful interview. And also, yeah, speaking of Sunya again, learning Sunya, we have a Sunya Council. We have Sunya Council guides. Maybe meron din kayo makakilala. So we have, of course, Miss Tina, Miss Darlene, Miss Zai. We have also Joes, Jay, Miss Panging in Australia, and Miss Merly and Miss Tata, Miss Merlinda and Miss Tata in Zamboanga. We also have, of course, Naineng, C.A. Neng, and who else?
Kuya Nino of Dumaguete, but currently is now in Manila. And we have Kuya June Laura, also from Bikutan. Chad Laurente of Isabela Santiago.
Yes, and Kuya Bal also.
Bal Castor of Luzon, Manila area.
Yeah.
And of course, Vanessa of Binaongonan, Rizal. Tama ba? Binangonan. Ayun, Binangonan. Sorry. And then another one, Binangoong.
Next ko pa tayo?
Gutom na ako, guys. Ha?
We have someone from Cebu.
Not yet from Cebu, but we have Dumaguete. Si Kuya Nino can represent for Dumaguete.
And marami tayo dito sa Davao.
Yes, and we have Jensen,
yes.
Tita Jerry, who is also watching us right now. Jerry Alianza. She's also a Sunya Council guide. And in Digos, we have the two sisters, Miss Sheba and Jabez Alianza. So, ayun. Did we miss someone?
Yes.
Of course, dito sa Davao, marami kami though because we have 2 Sunya centers here. That's why. So, we have the South Point School headed by Nay Jessie and Nay Cheryl Abrigo, Nay Judith, Nay Melma, ayan, sa Amore community.
Yes, we have Tagum also.
And yes, Tagum, do not forget, we have Don Sabio and the Sabios generally. for the Sunya Council guides for DX and Tagum. So, yeah. What else is possible? You have a lot of guides, actually. You just have to tap us and message us. And in the future, we will be creating not a video. We will have a training. Charot. Training siguro at the beginning of January or before the end of December. We will have another resetting yourself kasi meron na kaming module sa pamati na meron. Naraan na mo siya. Hindi na ko kalinturahon or something sa kung kakulba. So, yon. We have the resetting yourself na module already. And I will do another run, and then the rest, ang Sunya Council will be the one to run it on their own. And of course, edit it the way they would, present it, place their uniqueness in the presentation. It's just a guide. Yan. So, again, nag-hello din naman tayo kay Tita Babes Acosta, who's also watching us today.
Hello, Tita Babes.
And Ate Jeanette Panyares, ayan, hello to all who's watching.
Tita Saturnina Padillo.
And Tita Saturnina Padillo. Ayan, thank you for watching. So ano pa bang mga updates natin aside from that?
Yes, I think so if you'd like to learn or if you'd like to learn more about Sunya on your own, you can replay our videos. Do we have it in albums na? So from beginning from May 2020, yes, we have there Sunya Sundays. So you can backtrack if you'd like, and you can also learn from that of Dr. Lim Shoujin's page. There's Sunya Talks na album niya for his videos. So what else is possible? Everything is free. Knowledge is free. The air, the numbers, everything is for free. You just need to will it. You just need to choose it. So if you'd like to choose peace and prosperity, you can start practicing Sunya now.
Yes, thank you so much for that encouragement, Zai. And yes, to everybody who's watching, you can start doing the Sunya if you haven't, or you can share the Sunya if you have already started Sunya. So a lot of people will really benefit from this, and this would be a very beautiful contribution to everyone. Yeah. And it can create more or actualize more peace and prosperity in our society, as we have noticed that most of our sunyatis are actually, ano ba, lahat are just creating all the sunyatis that we know. We have sunyatis from different countries as well, and we see them also creating. We have Fahila Sarang of India. We have Miss Amy Yusof of Malaysia. Of course, Dr. Rajesh Savera of India, and we have Fabiola Sanchez of Latin America, and Miss Perla Rodriguez of Latin America. So, and of course, Nelly and Nancy, the daughters of Mrs. Edilia Garcia, Crown Ambassador Edilia Garcia of Mexico. They're also promoting Sunya. So, marami po around the world that are promoting Sunya. And tama yung sinabi ni Mama sa baba, just have fun. Have fun, practice, and that's it. And so, we bid you, okay na ba tayo? I think
it takes 3%.
Yeah, we just need 3% of the population to make a turn around to, if you want to change the earth, we just need 3% of people doing Sunya to actualize peace and prosperity in the world. So what would it take to reach that 3% as soon as possible? So, so let's do Sunya, let's do our part, let's contribute to our society by becoming peace ourselves, by just being peace. And yon. So we hope to see you soon, and yon.
Yes, and of course, if you also feel like wearing a kimono, DXN kimono, so kimonos are available in service center. DXN service centers near you. We also have we have
Yeah, we have actually I found the 7 missing ones. I thought I lost them. Anak, oh my God, that's
I found it from my cleaning.
Darlene found it by
She gave
cleaning.
me 10%. So
Yeah. So we have the XN handmade. Everything is handmade there. The XN kimono, up and down, right? So we
Yes.
have
Up lang ito ngayon.
kimono na yan siya.
Ayuin ngayon.
You
So,
can, available na. You just message us if you'd like, and we will just update the sizes. We will just post. You can also pre-order if your size is not there. So yeah, what else is possible? And we'll just post more details about our kimono. Thank you so
yeah,
much for.
it's also has also PV. Okay,
yeah,
may points po ito. Napakaganda.
very.
Yes, meron siyang PV point value. So yes, how does it get any better than that? So and also by buying kimono you are actually helping the farmers or the cotton farmers of Telangana,
Yeah.
India.
Actually, this is part of the social economics of that of Dr. Lim, wherein we are helping from the cotton itself, raw material, to the tahe. It's the community who is making this, and they are handmade. So every time you buy the kimono, you're actually contributing to this villagers in Telangana. And at the same time, yung nga, ang bonus is meron talaga siyang PV. And this one is dyed by the indigo plant. So hindi siya artificial na dye.
Everything is organic because the cotton is also organic, and yes, it was organically made as well. So yeah, the burda, the stitches, everything was handmade. So how did we get so lucky?
So yon. Ano pa ba? And of course, hello Kuya Val Domingo for watching. Hello, hello. He's also a Sunyati.
Yes.
Ang leader ng kanilang Sunya is the youngest. Si Super. And of course, hello to Mother P. Ayan. So,
hello,
also,
Mother. Also, a Sunyati. Oh, I'd like to get. I'd like to greet I'd like to greet Dwayne's teacher Rosie of South Point School, and happy birthday, teacher Rosie, and I'd like to congratulate my son as well for being the 5th placer sa Depreza, and he was also the yes, I think it was for guitar contest, something like that. Yeah, I just want to honor and acknowledge his will to be there and for winning. Of course, it was actually it was influenced by Sunya because the drama before doing that video. But yeah, what else is possible? He pulled through and he won at least. How
yay.
does any better? He won the 5th place though. 5th placer siya. So
Wow.
bahala. Showing up is already showing up, getting there or showing up is already a win. So yeah, congratulations. And thank you, Teacher Keisha, for the boost. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And congratulations to Dwayne, of course, for doing it and for showing up regardless of, we wanted to follow our human ayoko, diba? There are times that you don't like to show up. But then you chose to. And again, this was, Dwayne is also a Sunyati. Anong grade na nga si Dwayne?
Grade 7.
Grade 7.
Yes, South Point is encouraging also students to practice Sunya. That's why.
Yes, the South Point School, which is also our home of the second Sunya Center here in the Philippines, is encouraging their students even during the pandemic to do the Sunya. Kasi dati, they have a PA system that at exactly 8 a.m., it will allow them to do the meditation. But then this time, dahil walang ang PA system because it's online, they're still encouraging their students to do the Sunya. And just to give a correction, mali pala yung name ng aking na-mention kanina sa anak ni Kuya Val. It was Champ, sorry. It was Champ who is leading the Sunya meditation for them. So that was very impressive and fun because our children are...
And Uno is also... top.
Yes, and also honoring and congratulating Uno as being the top as well, silver, or was that silver? Yeah, and yes, you know, what else is possible? Our community is like just enjoying and allowing the children to be who they are and express themselves. And without trying to, they get this awards, you know, without trying so hard.
No attachment.
And no attachment to the results. They just be. They just enjoy who they are. And this is one of the core teachings in Sunya, which is anything with effort, do not do. So, pag ginagawa mo na siya with strain and effort, wag mo siyang gawin. But also, if you're also doing something, no attachment to the results, and you also get to manage to allow yourself to match what is showing up in your reality versus your expectation. So, hindi man talaga yan siya magmamatch. Meron tayong expectation and the reality shows up different. The same way when you buy things in Shopee or Lazada or kung ano pa yung mga online natin, minsan meron tayong mga expectations versus reality ng mga scenarios and we just laugh it off. Like, you want to buy a big one and then it shows up like, wow, it's small pala. So,
washing machine to
oo, yung mga ganon na mga stories. So, marami tayong ganyan. So, life is also like that. And it doesn't mean your life sucks because it's like that. It's just, you just have to show up what reality shows up. Like, for example, reality shows you this, and then just show up. So, yun talaga yung ating core teachings in Sunya.
Yes, true. And also, I'd also like to encourage parents to allow or to share Sunya with your children, because it really helps, kasi at least they have to something that will help them relax and cope with all the rigid lessons. Oh my god, guys, lisod jud kaayo maging parent this time sa ilahang digital learning. But if you just teach, or if you have Sunya as a tool, it really it creates a lot of calmness and peace of mind and peace at home. So yeah, because the roller coaster ride in this pandemic is really funny. So yeah, 9 to 0 only, just 9 to 0. Start with 9 to 0.
So true. It's the simplest meditation that I have encountered. So I cannot say for other people, but it's actually the simplest meditation. No control on breathing, just reverse counting, as simple as 9 to 0. And if 9 to 0 is so easy for you, do a 29 to 0 and then 99 to 0. So kahit ganun lang muna, and then do it daily. And if you have been doing 99 to 0 and then there was a time that you get tired and parang busy ka masyado, just do a quick 9 to 0. So wala siyang rules na dapat 9 to 0 ka na for the rest of your life. So wala siyang ganyan. So again, you move with your own pace, and this is your journey, and be kind to yourself. It's a beautiful reminder to be kind to yourself when you're practicing Sunya. Hindi tayo dito pang matagalan. Like for example, you're a great Sunyati if you do 1 hour of Sunya. So hindi kailangan na 1 hour, okay? Wala tayong judgment dyan. But the most beneficial is when you are doing it daily. Kahit short siya, 9 to 0, kahit 29 to 0 yan, just do it daily so you get the benefits. So, yes, with Kuya Val, he said, Sunya helped the kids with their online classes. Least of effort talaga. So true. We have a lot of children who are doing Sunya. And actually, why we like this, why we enjoy promoting Sunya to children, because Dr. Lim started doing Sunya when he was at the age of 15. He learned about Sunya age 12, pero ginawa niyang daily since he was 15, 1-5, yung bata pa siya. And before doing sunya, he was at the bottom of the class. He was at the top 2 bottom. So he was very kolelat because he says he was very kolelat because he loves to play with the fishes, with the frogs. Yan, mahilig daw siya mag-catch ng birds. Syempre, bata, di ba? So, and then he started failing his subjects. And then he just encouraged himself to do sunya when he said, this is not cute anymore. So when he did sunya, 3 months after, he was at the top 1 in the class. From the bottom 2, he became the top 1 in the class. And from then on, he always tops his classes, meaning until nag-college siya. So he also took college civil engineer in India. And he's also one of the top there. So you know naman how hirap the civil engineering course in India is, 'di ba? Kasi meron ngang movie na 3 Idiots for that, na gaano kahirap ang kanilang system. So yun, that's the background of Sunya, and why we are so excited to share this with you, and why we love to share this with you, and why we are also encouraging other people to share this with other people, kasi it's very simple and wala siyang hinihingi sa'yo. Yun yung maganda, yung you practice niya pero wala siyang hinihingi na kapalit sa'yo. 'Di ba? So gusto ko yan. Magandang creationship yan. Yung andyan lang siya, laging nagko-contribute at wala siyang hinihingi sa'yo. Gusto niya lang mag-gift sa'yo. So ganyan ang sunya. All you need to do is just have the will to do it daily. So I think we have exceeded our previously saying hello lang talaga. Sabi ko, Zai, mag-hello lang tayo, Zai. So mahirap talaga mag-hello lang ang mga sunyati. Pag we are on a roll, we get to just say what's in our hearts and in our minds. So thank you so much for watching and staying tuned. And yeah, do sunya every 7.
Yes, 7:11 p.m. We get to practice sunya. Like every sunyati practices sunya at 7:11 p.m. But they also do every morning or any time of the day. But how much fun can we create if we do sunya all together at 7:11 p.m. So if it's fun and light for you, join us. And yes, thank you so much. This is Zai.
I am Tina.
I'm Darlene.
And see you everybody. Blessings and share.
Yes.